Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
On the 26th of December 2023, the people of Arochukwu Kingdom will crown Prince Engineer Arochukwu Orji as their new monarch, the Ezearo of the ancient Arochukwu Kingdom in Abia State. His emergence as the Ezearo Designate has generated so much interest in the Arochukwu stool, which dates back to the 16th century. No doubt, Prince Orji's ascension to the throne will give the Aro stool the power, influence, and traditional first-class status that it rightfully deserves. 50-year-old Prince Orji, who is a pastor, is a major player in Nigeria's oil and gas industry as managing director of ND Western, an oil and gas conglomerate. How did he emerge as the Ezearo Designate of Arochukwu Kingdom? The heir apparent to the throne says it was through a very thorough and painstaking process of screening.
We have a gerontocratic culture. What that means is that when the king passes, it's not the son that becomes the king, it is the eldest in the family that becomes the king by natural selection. However, we the youth, we approached our elders and we pleaded with them that the world is changing. They should see what has happened in Warri, where they selected a young king. They should see what has happened in Ife, where they selected a young king. We encourage them that while they are still alive, they should nominate one of us to be the Ezearo, so that they can be the royal fathers providing guidance to whoever they choose and build this throne back with the vigor and virality of youth. We ended up with a screening exercise where it was myself and my cousin Godi Kanide that was left in the field. And we made our presentation to the kingmakers, and they went down to wire and to vote. And the vote resulted with 5 persons saying that it is me and 2 persons saying that it was Godi. So the result was announced, and I was announced as the next Ezearo. There's no more, no less.
Clearly, upon his coronation, Prince Orji will join the league of very young, upwardly mobile professionals who are currently occupying the throne of their forefathers. What is his vision for Arochukwu Kingdom?
We grew up in the palace during my grandfather's reign. We knew how revered he was. We knew how revered the stool was, and we knew the prominence that the stool carried in Igbo land and in Nigeria. And what we're going to do, what I am going to do, is to make sure that we restore the profile and that we are an improvement over what our grandfathers did. We have to make sure that there is love and unity among us, and that is one Aro Kingdom, and then we're going to face the head-on development of Arochukwu Kingdom in conjunction with the government. We'll make sure that the roads are built, make sure that we've got pipe-borne water, not political promise, because this is our hometown now. We have to make sure that our hometown is a place that people love to come, people want to come, and people are happy to come. And then we have to look into the issue of food security. Our farmlands, we have to revive them, make sure that our medical facilities work. That we will do with various agencies. And my job will be to network, to use my extensive network to attract all these things to Arochukwu Kingdom.
All roads lead to Arochukwu on the 26th of December 2023 for what promises to be an epoch-making event for the people of Arochukwu Kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,